Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today. Yesterday in today's newspaper on Friday, February the 4th, 2022. Yes, I'm still recovering with my voice. My voice is not 100%. And today, the first Friday of the month, I always do a speed test. I've done a speed test with the Sudoku Light, and now it's time for the Sudoku Heavy. And this one will be number 4078. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, in addition, this will be a 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. But it's a speed test. So let's get started. 1 minute from now. Okay. 8, 4, 4, 6, 6, 6. Let me see, 6, 6, 6, 6. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Yeah, 1, 1. Yeah. 1, 1, 1. 5, 5. Come on. 9, 9, 9, 9. 9. 9, 9. With 9. 5. 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2. 9, 9, 9, 9. 1, 1. Come on. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. This column 327. So 327. 1 should be here. 8 should be here. 3, 2, 7, 8, and a 4 should be here. With a pair, this should be a 1. Okay. 1. 6, 9, 5. 6, 9, 5. 5, 5. 5, 5. 3, 2. 3, 2, 7. 2, 2. Come on. 4, 4. 1, 1, 1. Okay. 3, 3. 6. Okay. 3 and 4. 4. 9. 7. Come on. 2, 3. Yeah, should be the 3. 3. Leave the 9. Okay. 5. This should be the 5. 5, 5. All the 6s. 6. No. 6, 6. And no 6s. This should be a 6. This should be a 5. And this should be a 9. 6, 6, 3. This should be a 2. 2, 2, 2. 1, 8. With a pair. Okay. 1, 5, 6. 7 should be here. 7, 7. 2, 4, 9. 8. Need an 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. Wait. 8. 8. Yeah, 8. 9. 7, 3, 2. 7, 3, 2. 2, 2, 2. 7, 3, 2, 3. 2. Also 2. 4, 8. And 5 should be here. Come on. 4, 8, 9, and 3. Here. These two should be the 5 and the 7. Yeah. These two, 7 and the 4. It's a pair. So here 4, there 4. 4, 8, 7 here again. That means here no 7, here no 7. Here no 7. This should be the 7. 7, 5, 7, 7. 5. This should be a 5. This should be a 7. 5, 5, 5. This should be a 2. This should be a 2. 4 and 9. 9, 9. This should be a 3. The 9. 4 and 3. 3, 3, 3, 3. This should be a 4, 7, 4. Made it a 5. This should be an 8. This should be a 7. 3 and a 5. 8 and a 1. 3, 9, 7 and the 8. 7 and 8. This should be the 9. This should be the 4. This should be the 8. This should be the 4. 7 and the 8. 4 and 8. Finish in 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Well, let me check again. 10 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, correct. I'm pleased with the time. 10 minutes. Well, before I leave, these numbers I'm analyzing. So we have the 6, the 5, and the 4. 6, 5, 4, 1, 6, 3, 1, 6, 3, and 9, 7, 8. 9, 7, 8. So here we have one pair. The 6 here. 6. Okay. Well, thank you for watching, and I will see you later on in the evening with the other 3 puzzles. Yeah, in additional. Until then, bye bye for now.